Okay, let's go.
Hi, my name is Seth. You are welcome to mathematics class, and today we want to be looking at matrix. What do we mean by matrix? Let us look at it. Now, what is matrix? A matrix is a simple mathematical structure that holds numerical information in a rectangular form, usually enclosed by bracket. Now, when we look at this definition, and what is the plural for matrix is called matrices. The plural for matrix is called matrix. Let us go drive to the information. What the really information is talking about. What is matrix? Now, to make you understand, now we are in your class, and we have in SS1. Let us see in SS1, SS2, SS3. In SS1 we have female, we have male and female. Now in SS1 we have 5 male, in SS2 we have 6 male, in SS2 we have 13 male, in SS3 we have 12 male, in SS3 we have 12 male, in SS3 we have 9 male. Look at this information. This is what we call the information that is going on. Now, if you want to write it in what matrix, will now be 5, 13, 12, and 6, 12, 9. This is what we call like this. We have represent this one in matrix. Now let us go back to the definition. A matrix is a simple mathematical structure that holds numerical information. This is numerical information. The information of SS1, SS2, SS3, the information of school of SS1, SS2 in a rectangular form. Look at it. This one is like rectangle like this. Rectangle like this. When you see it, look at it, go down and go down. That's what we call rectangle. Rectangular form usually enclosed by bracket. Yeah, enclosed by bracket. Now let us look at the naming of, we have 5, we have 13, 12, and 6, 12, and 9. We can see like this. Now, when we look at this, we have column, we have row. This is what we call, now, this, the naming of like this, when you are naming like this one we call the first. This is the first, second, third. That's 3. This first, the second, the third. Now, when we look at the first, the second, the third, now we call this first row. This one, second row. This one, third row. Now, this and this, like this, is called, this one is first, this second. Now, the second, we have, this one we call second, the what? This is first column. This one we call what? Second column. Now, like this is called row, like this is called column. Notice that. We want to be looking at another one, which is size of the size of matrix. The size of matrix. The size of matrix. What are the size of matrix? We have different size of matrix. We have 2 by 2 matrix. What is 2 by 2 matrix? The 2 by 2 matrix, we have 2 like this. The 2 by 2. The 2 by 2 means this one is what we call row, and we have 2 by 2 row by column. 2 1 2. This is row by 2 column. This 1 2, the column, how many? 1 2. That's it. And we have another one, 3 by number 1, number 2. We have 3 by 3 column. Now 3 by 3 column will be let us count it in what? In row 1 2 3. That's row 3 3. Now let us count it like this: 1 2 3. That's what? In column. That's 3. 1. That's what we call 3 by 3 column. Let us look at another one. We have 3 by 2 matrix. Let us do 3 by 3 matrix. Like this. This is what we call number 3. Now this is what we call 3 by 3 matrix. Let us count it in row: 1 2 3 3. In column: 1 2. That's 3. This one is 3 2 2. This one is row 3. This one is column. That's 2. That's what we call 3 2. Now let us look at another one, which is what? 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix, we have look at this. The 3 by 3 matrix, let us count the row. The row 1 2, that's 2. Column 1 2 3 4, that's this one 3 by 4. This one with 3 by 4. 1 2 3 4. This one is 2 by 4. In what? In column is 2. In row is 2. It can even be like this. In a simple term, which is, now let us look at it. It can be, this is number 4. It can be 1 by 2 matrix. 1 by 2 matrix will be 1 like this. When you are counting in a row is 1. When you are counting in column is 2. Row 1, column 1 2 2. That's number 4. This is number 5. Number 6. Another one is called, we can in a different form like this one, 3 4. We can have 1 by 3 matrix. 1 3 like this. When we count it in a row, 1. In column is 3. 1 2 3. That's what? Number 7. Even it can be 2. It can be 3 by 1. 3 by 1. In a different form, it can be 1 3 4. Look at this. 1 3, which is very simple as ABC. Now in row 1 2 3, in column 1. That's it. We have a lot. That's it. But to make you understand what is going on, now we can really understand that a matrix, we have different sizes. We have 2 by 2, we have 3 by 3, we have 2 by 2, we have 2 by 4, we have 1 by 2, we have 1 by 3, we have 3 by 1, and so on and so forth. Is to know how the way you can calculate and to know the size of matches that they are giving you. Now, let me go back to what we are doing. A matrix is a simple mathematical structure that all the numerical information in rectangular form, usually enclosed by bracket. When you see all the size of matches, I enclose all of them by bracket, and we are moving to the next one, and which is the next one will be.
Okay, let's go.
It's called type of matrix. We have about 6 type of matrix. We have row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, which is called null, can be null. Now, square matrix, we have identity matrix, which can be called unit, and equal matrix. We'll be looking at these one after the other. What do we mean? Let us look at, we can see one after the other. Let us see. Now, number 1, which is called row matrix. Number 1, row matrix. What do we mean by row? A matrix can be a row, like this, a row matrix, like 3, 4, 2. This is what we call row. A row matrix can be just like this, or can be like this. This is 1 by, this is 3 by 1. This one is 1 by 2. It can be in this, in a different form. It can be, this is what we call, I'm sorry, it can be like this, 1 and 3. It can be like this. It can be in 4, 4, or like this. A matrix, the row, it can be, a matrix can be like this, can be like this, can be like this. Another one, which is called number 2. We call column matrix. The column matrix can be 3, 4, 8. Like this, in a column, like this, or can be like this. Look at this, like this, like this. Even it can be like this. Look at it. All this, I can call this one. It can be in a column. This is column, column, column. Like this, in a column. Now, that's it. A matrix can be like that, can be like this. Another one, which is what we call zero matrix. Number 3. Zero matrix. The zero matrix, a zero matrix can be inside, all of them is 0, or now this is 0 matrix. Anything that you see, this is 2 by 2, all of them is 0. This, all of them 3 by 3, all of them is 0. That's 0 matrix. Number 4. Number 4 is called square matrix. The square matrix the square matrix, we have, it can be any form, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. The shape, another one, or look at this. The square matrix, any number can represent, but it will be like square. The column and the row will be the same thing. How many column? 1, 2. They are the same thing. With the what? The row. 1, 2 with the row. 1, 2 with the column. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3 in the what? In the row. 1, 2, 3 in the column. Look at that's a what? Square. They call this one square matrix. Square matrix. By 4. Call it square matrix. This is square matrix. Now, number 5 is called identity matrix. Identity. When we see identity matrix, it's like a zero matrix. So it's like a zero matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. But it's not a 0. You cancel this, write 1. Cancel this, write 1. Or 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Look at this. Cancel this, and this. Cancel like this. Write what? 1 here, write 1 here, write 1 here. This is what we call identity matrix. Anytime you see like this, and we use identity matrix, we use as I. We used to represent I. Anyway, it can be a capital letter or small letter. That's what we call I. And they use it as the identity. When you write identity, anytime they do it like this, it's identity matrix. And you can see that it is what? Identity. Let us look at the last one, which is called equal matrix. Equal matrix. Equal matrix. Now, a equal matrix means a equal matrix is saying that A is equal to 3 and 5 and B equal to 5, A and 4 is equal to C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 6. That's it. This is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this. That's what we call what? Number 6. That's equal matrix. And that's all. Let us move to the next one.
Okay, let's go.